Welcome to Multi-Room Audio Made Easy by Legrand. I'm Dice, Senior Technical Trainer for the Residential AV Division. Today we're going to look at how to install the Nuvo P600 DIN rail players. The Nuvo P600 DIN rail player is just one part of several complete solutions available. The NVP 603ZNA 3-zone kit comes complete with one NV-PDIN kit, which includes the AC1043 half-width DIN rail, the NV P600 PAC DC splitter with 3 DC pigtails, and one PW1060 24-volt DC power supply. Of course, 3 Nuvo P600s, one Luxol XGS 1005 5-port gigabit desktop switch, and 3 12-inch on-cue pre-configured Cat5e cables, and one 36-inch on-cue pre-configured Cat5e cable. To install the P600 into a Legrand structured wire enclosure, like the ENP3050NA shown here, simply take the AC1043 half-width DIN rail into the enclosure, line up the tabs into the proper center holes, and then line up the rivets into the side holes and simply push in the pins. While holding the P600 at an angle, position the top tabs onto the rail. Gently pull down on the gray release tab at the bottom and snap it into place. The back of the P600 has a spring-loaded locking tab. If you ever need to remove or reposition the P600, simply use a small screwdriver to release that locking tab. Now that you have all of the hardware installed, it's time to start wiring this bad boy up. First, we're going to start with speaker wires and observe proper polarity. So left positive, left negative, right positive, and right negative. With a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, just tighten down your speaker wire terminals. Next, we're going to install the DC pigtail to the upper left-hand corner of the P600. Again, observing proper polarity, the right connection is your positive, and the left connection is your negative. Again, with your number 1 Phillips, just tighten those connections, and you'll be good to go. If we only had one P600 in the system, we could connect its pigtail directly to a PW1060 power supply. However, in this example, we have 3 zones, so we're going to need to use the 3-zone DC splitter. To do so, all we do is plug the pigtails in, and then connect the other end to the PW1060. Next, we're going to make our network connections utilizing the 12-inch pre-configured Cat5e cables that came in the kit. Connect one end to the Luxol XGS 1005 and the other end to your P600. And repeat. Now we're going to use 36-inch pre-configured Cat5e cable that came in the kit to connect the Luxol XGS 1005 to the network router. Once the LEDs light up a solid green, you're ready to follow the instructions in the Nuvo Player app for setup. You'll begin streaming your favorite music in no time. For more information about the P600, be sure to visit our product webpage at legrand.us.